Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to write for loop for a string. For that I need to take a string, use double quotes and then input a string, hi world. Then I'm going to write the for loop. For that, write for and use any variable. Let me take name, then write in and now the string. And then print name. Let's run it. As you can see, my string is printed. It's also count the space between any word. This is how you can print your string using for loop. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.